It's your boy Reset Gummy, and today I'm introducing you guys to my new 3D printed Bay Ultraus, Sparkling Ultraus. I don't know what I'm gonna call this thing yet, man, but I'm still thinking of the right name for it. But this thing looks so sick to me, man. Like, look at that, like the little diamond parts. I'm gonna color all. I'm gonna leave the other black parts black. But I'm gonna color those little jewel diamond part, like little parts right here. I'm gonna color those just like purplish color that's right here. Purplish pinkish color. I'm gonna color those that color on these and stuff. Just give it a little extra color up in here to make it pop. But it's a left spin bay. Usually it's a dual spin for Ultras, but I just went ahead and made it left spin to make it easy. And put it on 3A and zone dash with the Z plus. So we're about to see how this thing goes, and yeah, let's get it. First up, stepping up is Geist Fafnir. Well, that was a statement to start off with. Okay. Well, okay then, guys. That's 2 points. Oh, 500 KO. That's 1. Stupid miss launch. Just keep happening to me. Okay, that was some bull crap, and that don't count. Come on, Ultras, break through. Okay, so that's 3. Well, like 3, 1. We're not gonna count that. Family circling around. What Ultra's gonna do? Okay, and Ultra's took it. So that's 3. Okay, guys. Next up, Rage Logness versus Ultras. Let's get it. So Rage Logness is on. Shut it down. Okay. Darn it. Okay, that's 1-1. This is a dog fight. Oh, and Ultras is 2-1. That's 3. Damn, Ultras again with 4.